Kata Simu to for sight. Now set me wabi hapa PACHO flavor, and today we are with the amazing T Classic. Karibu sana, looking so dapper from head to toe.
As always. Thank you guys for having me.
We're so glad to have you.
I'm so glad to be here.
Awesome. I don't know. I think there's a change with your hairstyle.
Yep. I got to cut it off.
Why?
There's a lot of listen. There's a lot of story behind it. You know, when it comes to African parents, there's a lot of drama behind it because I shot a video and the director asked me to, sleep inside the coffin. It's just like a video.
Yes,
so when
I have seen it.
Yeah, so when my mom saw it, was like, oh my God, Jesus! Come on, start pouring holy oil on my head, cutting my dread and everything.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. So I don't have a choice. Okay, just take it off, no problem.
I'm so sorry.
I'm telling you.
Oh, we apologize on your mom's behalf. You still look nice.
Thank you.
So it's all good.
Thank you.
Karibu Kenya. What has been an experience for you so far?
Man, I just came in like yesterday. We just flew in yesterday, and it has been amazing. But
you're complaining. It's cold.
Yeah, about the cold, like freaking. Oh my God.
This is so hot for us right now.
No. Anyway, it's so cold. It's so cold out here, man.
Really?
It's so cold out here, guys. Like, you can see what I'm doing, man. It's like, yo. It's freaking
sorry,
cold.
we bring you a heater.
Oh, okay, no problem. I appreciate it.
Okay, so T Classic. That's a very unique name. So what inspired it?
My name is Ajay Tolulokwe.
Slowly.
Okay, all right, let me just pronounce it. My real name is Tolulokwe. So it starts with T.
Okay.
So, and as a sharp guy, T Classic, T Gentle and everything. As a gentle and classic guy, as you can see.
Okay,
so
for sure.
I just like, okay, let me just, Tolulokwe is classic. So I can't be saying Tolulokwe is classic. Okay, let me just remove the, and put T and classic. That's it. No, it doesn't have a lot of story. Just
Brilliant.
T Classic. Tolulokwe is classic.
Not hard to remember.
Yeah, classic way.
Okay. So what got you into music? How has life been for you growing up?
Man, it has been a great experience.
Okay.
Because it all started like I was dancing at first, and when the mom just called me, my mom just called me like, yo, instead of you dancing to people music, why can't you just sit down and just try and write something and start dancing to it? So before you know that, I started developing passion for music, for writing music at first.
So at first it was writing?
Yeah, it was writing.
Okay.
So I'm just this kind of boy that loves to write and sing for my mom. I'm not even like wondering about being a superstar. And back then I just want to write songs and sing for my mom. So she'll be like, oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, this is good. Just add this. We write songs together. Back
so
then.
Awesome.
And luckily for me, the school I attended, Royal Crown Comprehensive High School, the secondary school I attended, we used to have like social activities every Friday, whereby you see a lot of talented kids. Where we have comedians, we have singers, dancers, and everything. So before I was like, okay, let me just try one or two things, and before I started like attending the activities and everything.
Okay.
And before boom, I started developing passion for music.
Okay.
I found it easy doing because I can't play football, I can't play basketball, I can't do other things. Like when it comes to music, it's just like it's very easy. Yeah, I don't. It's not like
you
struggle. You understand? So I was like, why not? So after my secondary school, I got signed to a record label at the age of 17, and ever since then, it has been a great way.
So you've been in music for how long now?
Oh, you can calculate that 17 to now is I think to 6 years or 6 years or 7 years.
What?
I'm not mistaken. 6 years. Let me just put it like that. 6 years. Like officially. Yes, officially. Because when it comes to all this music, sometimes you just learn. You learn first. You enter the first record label. They will teach you. You will learn. After you learn, you leave there. You enter another one. So it's just like learning process and everything. But officially, I would say 5 years.
So because you started music when you were young, like 17, there's no point you wanted to be like a doctor or a lawyer.
I always, when I was at the age of 5, I always say to myself, I wanted to be a pastor.
Hallelujah.
You can imagine, see my life. You can imagine.
Pastor
You know, from pastor to
artist.
Yo, let's go.
Dude, moving yourself on stage.
I'm telling you, man. So I always dream of becoming a pastor, but as time changes and everything, with everything, I just find myself doing this music. I just find myself doing it, man.
Okay. Yeah. And where you are, you feel at home?
Yeah, sure, definitely comfortable. No pressure, nothing. And just me, man.
Like you said, you write your own music. To date, you still write your own music.
Yeah, sure.
So what inspires you?
All right. One thing about me is that I just try and create like an idea in my head, because I used to tell my management, like, 20 years from now I can't run out of music. You know why? Because there are a lot of concepts in the world already. There are a lot of things happening in the world, in my environment. You can see whereby we have a relationship whereby like the parents of the guy and the girl are not in support of that love, their love or whatever. We can actually sing about that. We can actually sing about, okay, a girl got pregnant for you, and before you know, you are still young, but you don't want people to know. There's a lot of things to talk about. You want to talk about your father want me to black. There's a lot of story to talk about. And when in government, things happening in the economy, like everything to talk about, and it's keep on going just like that. I can wake up one morning today and sing about mosquito. Don't be scared.
And it's gonna be a banger.
Yeah, just imagine you thinking about mosquito. Like, it's just, there's a lot of things to think about. Trust me. Yeah. There's a lot of things to think about. So yeah, I'm inspired by things happening in the environment, my environment. Sometimes I use people's story to sing. So.
Or yours. So there's this new banger.
Okay.
Dangerous.
Yeah.
So are you in danger?
No, come on.
What's not happening?
Come on. Dangerous is actually a song about praising the girls, as, cause my mom used to say this, that okay, you need to respect a lady, and at the same time you need to fear a lady. You understand? Like, because they can make you or break you. So I'm just trying to talk about one or two things about them, and trying to talk about independent ladies. Shout out to the girls we sabi. Shout out to the girls doing their thing. Shout out to the bad girls out there. So that's what's up.
That's pretty cool. I think it's.
Yeah.
You write your own music and you also perform it.
Yeah, sure. But if you want to write for me, I don't mind. Okay. So we can do it.
Okay. So from the first song that you released, how many albums so far do you have?
Not yet. I just have a couple of EP out. I don't have album out yet, but I'm still working on that. So hopefully feature some Kenya artists too,
Okay. Yeah. So from the first music you released to this latest one, can you see like there's evident growth?
Of course, definitely, because when I recorded my first song at that first label, I could not afford a pair of shoes. But right now, I'm just putting it as an example. But right now, I can buy myself shoes and at least buy like 20 people shoes, like buy my friends, like 20 of my friends shoes. Okay, you know what? You guys just chill, just to give you an example of how the thing is going. And of course, I'm the firstborn of my family, and I'm using the music funds and everything, to take care of my family and take care of my friends and take care of myself. I'm not doing any other thing apart from music. It's just music.
Really?
So, yeah.
No side hustle.
No side hustle, just music, and I'm making money from it.
And it's good so far.
And it's good so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
so the growth is there. That's what I'm trying to say. Stop saying
I'm sorry. I'm just so in it.
The is just like it's just letting me to like okay
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So now, like with music, you have done a few collabs. Which one was like, oh my god, am I in the same, what's it called, the same song with this person? And which ones are you looking forward to having?
For collabs right now, there's this saying that God, people, I don't know how to put it, but people, is it people propose God? I mean, is it people just, I don't know how they used to say that saying, but I don't know. Whatever God says, whatever God has in plan for me, because no matter how you plan, God still have His own plan for you. So I wouldn't say, okay, this person. But if I had a chance, like to feature and to to work with us people, I would say the likes of Burna Boy, the likes of Wizkid, the likes of Davido, and a lot of people doing great music. Of course, I would like to work with everyone.
I've not heard a Kenyan artist.
Oh, the likes of Tanasha, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Because
You've interacted with her a bit?
You say what?
Oh, okay.
What you say?
You have interacted.
What you say? Please, I don't want wahala.
Okay. What's wahala? Wahala is problem.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Like I don't want problems. Like please.
Okay. Yeah. So there's so many countries in Africa. So what has brought you to Kenya?
I just came here to, first of all, to have some fun.
Oh,
and to just first of all, take stress away, because as an artist, you need to go out to just go out of your space, your comfort space, and just go out to meet new people, to connect with people and everything. So basically, I'm just here to have fun and to connect with a lot of people and whatever.
Many other things in store. So I'm sure the other Kenyans watching right now, they're like, oh man, he's in Kenya, I know him, I'm to connect with him. So how can they do so right now when you're in the country?
They can just
or maybe follow you on your social.
Follow me on Instagram, like _MNE _MNE and so we connect.
Why MNE?
That's like my one or two
initial.
Why do you like putting words in my mouth?
I'm sorry.
Like I just like one of my slang and one of my it's just like a lot of things around it.
Okay.
So I just like it like that. Okay.
Okay. So now, the Kenyan girl here, like, this guy.
He's here, man. So we out here. So, that's what's up. There's no need for me to be running around. We already have bros here. So, why are we looking for Kenya? Are you not Kenya? Of course.
Well.
We out here.
Well.
Yeah.
Could you be single? Could you be busy? Could you be searching? Could you?
When it comes to relationship, man, you have to have a lot of dedication, and I don't like a situation whereby we are going to be like, I don't know, should I use the word fooling ourselves?
Okay.
You understand? Let's just accept we're just together to focus on our goals. Because one thing about me, I'm always focused on my goals.
Okay.
So I dedicate all my time and attention to my career. Okay. So if there's a woman, you just have to be that woman. Okay, that want to be there with me to focus on my goals, and I want to focus on that, like help her with her own goals too. So I'm not this kind of relationship, whatever type, because it gets somehow, man. It gets somehow to me. I'm a very emotional person.
Okay.
I don't want to put myself into something that at the end of the day will not give you breakfast.
Okay.
Do you know what they call breakfast? You know what they call breakfast?
Please tell me.
Oh my God! When somebody break your heart, that's what we call it in Nigeria. They will give you breakfast. Everybody go chop breakfast. You understand? So I don't want to chop my own breakfast. Okay. So that's why I'm keeping it low. Okay. To just try and play safe with my heart. I don't want no girl to come and break my heart, please. I beg. So I'm just me, man, trying to focus on my career for now. It might give you a banger. Like which when you're in your feelings and you just write a song. And what do you mean? I know, I'm there too. Oh, are you single? No. Oh, you're not single? No. You are married? Yes. Oh my God. I lie. You're married? Yes. Oh my God. Sorry, I don't want wahala. It's okay. He forgives you. Yeah. No problem. Okay, so you've talked about music. So I'm sure you're in it a lot. But what do you do for fun? Like when you're not in the studio? I just, to be honest with you, I just look for troubles. You know, like, you know, play with my guys.
Okay.
You know, I just like sometimes, I don't know, I don't, like I said before, like if you remember, I said I don't know how to play football.
Yes.
I don't play games.
Okay.
I'm just this weird guy.
Okay.
You know, probably, you know, chat, just chill and chat.
Okay.
Maybe call my mom.
Okay.
You know, just have some couple of, you know, friends to just talk about and gossip, because I like gossiping a lot. I like people giving me gist and everything. Oh, really? What's up? So we gist and, you know, talk about it. Apart from music. Okay. So, and I cook sometimes. Oh, nice. You know, I cook one or two. One or two.
Jollof rice.
Yeah, but you're married. I for cook for you, but you're married. So I don't want no problem.
No hala.
You understand? You understand?
Okay, so 3 things about yourself that like we would probably not know.
I think you guys already know, because people used to see me as this kind of guy that don't talk, because when I'm in public, you don't expect me to be showing my madness and start running around. But normally me, I play a lot. Okay. Like I play a lot. I don't smoke. Okay. Before I don't drink, but now I'm learning. I'm trying to, you know, they say a man have to do one thing, you know, so I'm just trying to learn how to, you know, drink, because trust me, it's very bitter. I like sweet things. Okay. I like sugar. I'll be taking something that will be making my mouth. Oh my God, no. Yeah. I really don't know what people enjoy in this, but I'm just trying to be a man, you know. Okay. I'm just trying to, you know, okay, let's be among the vibe. Let's catch up with people, and I don't want people to look at, oh, you don't drink, oh, small boy, like that kind of thing. There was a time I was in a club and they actually asked my manager, oh, should they bring one or two alcohol, and they were like, no, just give him a soda, just give him soda drinks. I was like, everybody was just, you know, shaking and everything. I mean, I'm just there taking my soda. Like, yo, come on. So, and I'm 24, so why not? Let's do it. But I don't smoke. Okay. I don't smoke. I only drink occasionally. Okay. You can't see me now and just wake up one morning. The next thing is to use my money to go and buy drinks and, you know, start drinking. No, that's not me. Okay. I only drink occasionally. I play, I cook. You know, I have a lot of female friends. You know, more than guys. Okay. Because I connect more with the girls more. Okay. Than
a ladies man.
Yeah, okay, yeah, ladies, yeah, sure, definitely, than the guys, you know, because right from school, from my school time, we guys are always rough. Okay. But girls, all they do is to gossip, and so I prefer, no problem. Let's just gossip, and nobody's going to get hurt and or stuff like that. But guys, you have to play ball. Yeah. You're new, you get wounded. You do this. So right from secondary school, I always be with the girls till now. So I have a lot of female friends than the guys. Okay. So those are the things you guys really do not know about me. Yeah.
Here we call you a lover boy.
No. Lover boy. That tag is. You're going there. Yeah, you're coming there, lover boy.
Okay, it's classic. It's been amazing. We have enjoyed ourselves. Yeah. It has been so awesome. Karibu Kenya.
Oh my God.
Please have a blast. I'm telling you.
Karibu, then you put it with this soup and you swallow. You take it again, you put it with the soup and you swallow. Then when you are tired of doing that, you take your meat and chomp. Put it down again. You talk. That's how we eat. But the way you are talking, you are saying it as if I just have only fried meat. Like, you know, fried. Just one fried meat. There's no stew. There's nothing.
If you want, you can get. If you want, they can give you. But there's.
But I'm scared. I'm actually scared. I'm not going to like.
You will love it. I promise. Nice.
So let's bet.
Yes.
How much? Because I deal with money.
You deal with money?
Of course, definitely. So tell me, put your bet.
I deal with dollars.
Okay, no problem. So put your bet. If I like it, you win the money. If I don't like it, I win the money. I definitely know that.
Hello there, what's up, good people?